Hi guys, welcome to 2am. Today we will see how you can sign up on our portal, how you can use the trial courses and see what actually we are offering and how to navigate through our courses also. So you can go to the any of the browser that you use, you can search 2am, just being a cheeky here, yeah, and you can select the first link. I'm assuming this is the first time you are starting or first time you are logging into our portal. So you can press get started. Okay, you can give your email ID here. By the way, this is the email ID where you can send any of your queries, and below the email ID you need to give the password which you will be using for logging in. Okay, it gives you two options, both are 2025, so you can press any of them. You can press start learning to get started. Awesome. It'll ask you a mobile number. This is the number which you need to be giving every time while you are logging in. This is the number you will be getting the OTP. Let me pull up my number so that I can give it to you. Yeah, press submit. You will get a OTP to that number which you need to type it down here. I got my OTP. I will type it down for you and you can press submit. Yeah, Ola, you're in, and just you need to give your name and then from where you come. You can select whether you want any important information on WhatsApp to be shared, yes or no, and then press save. So you will be coming. This is the portal basically. Okay, so from here you can know what is your account, my enrollment, segments, anything from here. Generally the course will be, any course you are enrolled will be displayed here under the continue learning. You can press my enrollments to see the courses, and you can press, these are trial courses that irrespective of whether you are logging in now or in here, this trial courses will be for you. How to check the trial course now? So for every section, quants, DALR and verbal ability, there is a tag called 30 27 20. What does this indicate? This indicate the number of trial lessons you can take inside this particular course. So let's say I want to see quants trial courses, then you can simply click on quantitative ability and you can scroll. There would be another tag indicating this particular section which you can watch. See, averages has a tag called trials. 15 doesn't mean you can watch only 15 tests. 15 means there are totally 12 lessons plus 3 tests. So everything is under trial. So you can click on. So generally it will be in a slide format. So videos are embedded inside the slide. So you can click it and play. I'm not clicking it now because you can't screen record this. So you can click it and play, and then after finishing you can mark it as complete and next. Same thing. So you can go through all of them. You can even take a test. You can press take a test and see the complete averages lesson on how we are teaching. Same thing applies for both DLR and verbal ability. You can go through it and check. We also have given you some tests which you can take. So anything that has a tag trial, you can go and explore. If you're having any queries, please reach out to us, comment down, we'll help you out. All the best, guys.